Hello friends, and a big hello to all my gardening friends. Today I'll tell you about dianthus, or commonly known as carnation. So these are the plants. I'll tell you about its care, watering, then repotting and propagation. So these plants, these are not winter flower, but yes, in winter it looks very fresh because there is no wind and no cyclone or no rain, so it looks very fresh. And this flower, as you can see, yeah, it comes with a mixture of colors. You can see it's maroon and red, the combination of maroon and white. And regarding its care, these are very easy care flowers. So you don't need to care too much for that flower because they only need water. And they will show you when they are thirsty. You can look at the leaves, like they will drop. So whenever they'll drop, you have to put the water. So it's better to put water daily, so that they will feel happy and they'll grow healthy. So every alternate day, or every day, you have to put flower if the weather is slightly dry. And regarding its soil, yeah, it needs a normal soil. The red soil you can use, where you can mix just river sand or perlite or cocoa pit, because they need a well drained soil. So for that, if you have river sand, you can add it, and the normal soil you have to take. No need to take put any special fertilizer or compost. If you want to give, yes, you can give, but not necessary to put. And regarding its repotting, if you see here, you can see that the stems are growing, and you can see the roots also. So you can just prune it there, and you can plant the same portion in another pot. So this way they will spread. 8 to 16 inch they will spread, and they become tall also, 8 to 16 inch. So you just have to prune it, and you have to plant it in another pot. So it's always better. Here I have taken in a long pot, but it's better to, if you take a pot where they can spread well. And yes, regarding its watering, you have to water like daily, that I have already said. And yes, and no other care they need. And yeah, and yes, you do not forget to prune the flowers which have already died, the dry flowers, so that they'll get more strength to grow. So friend, yes, so it's very easy to grow. As you can see, it was like I bought a small stem from my mom's house, and then I just planted in a pot, and now you can see how bushy it is. So plant, happy gardening, and take care. Bye bye.